Before you begin your project, you want to make sure that the blue film is removed from both sides of your bracelet blank, and that you position your stamping block so it's in a diamond shape in front of you. Having your stamping block in a diamond shape will make it easier to find the center of your bracelet blank because it fits the length of your bracelet perfectly. Now take a bracelet stamp guide out of your bracelet stamp guide book, and you're going to adhere it in the center of your bracelet blank by matching up that main orange hash mark with the top and bottom point of your stamping block. And you want to make sure that thin blue horizontal line that runs through the guide marks matches up with the bottom edge of your bracelet blank. So now, using a pen and the guide marks, write your message directly onto the stamp guide. Now hold your stamp, making sure the ImpressArt logo is facing you. Lightly place it on the bracelet blank and drag it down to the corresponding mark on the guide. When you feel that resistance, you're going to stop, hold it firmly in place, then take your hammer and give it one hard hit. And you make sure you lightly drag it down to the corresponding mark on the guide. Feel the resistance, take your hammer and give it one hard hit. And you're just going to follow the same technique to finish stamping your word on your bracelet. After you're done stamping, remove your stamp guide. Then take your stamp enamel marker and highlight your impressions. And you'll wait 3 minutes, give or take, until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess enamel from the surface of your bracelet blank. And now we're ready to bend the bracelet into shape. So now you're going to use your bracelet bending bar to bend the bracelet into shape. You're going to place one end of your bracelet blank into the channel with the impression side facing up. You're going to hold it firmly in place with your thumb, then take the palm of your hand and bend your bracelet halfway around the bar, making sure you're not overbending. You're going to flip the bracelet around, hold it firmly in place with your thumb, take the palm of your hand and bend it halfway around the bar. Now you're going to come in with your bracelet bending pliers, and you're going to match the curvature of the pliers with the curvature of the bracelet. And you're going to start in the center of your bracelet and give one good squeeze, and you'll watch the bracelet start to form a circle. Now you'll just squeeze and release the pliers, working your way towards the end of the bracelet, making sure you tuck in the ends. Then flip the bracelet over and follow the same technique to finish your bracelet.